Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today I'm going to be talking about Eclipse token as they have a good utility case in the cryptocurrency space. This is very similar to Safemoon or Dogecoin, and I think there's a lot of potential. And so before we get started, I'd like to mention a couple of things. If you are interested in trading other cryptocurrencies, the platform that I use is Binance. And so if you're interested in that, there is a link below. Also, if you would like 2 free stocks and once you deposit $100, there is a link below for Webull. You can also buy Dogecoin on Webull as well. That is something they have recently added. And as always, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. And so let's take a look at CoinMarketCap here. This is Eclipse token. As you can see, it is up 150% in the last 24 hours. And so I think there's a lot of potential for this coin going forward. You can see their fully diluted market cap is right around 180 million currently. And as we can see, the chart is kind of going parabolic here. And so this did start trading about 14 days ago on April 20th. And so I think this is a fairly new cryptocurrency. And so I think there's a lot of potential for this to continue to grow. And so I'd also like to look at a couple of other things here on CoinMarketCap. We can see the market here. And so this does show the markets that this trades on. This only trades on PancakeSwap currently. However, they are looking to add this to other exchanges. And so if you're interested in buying Eclipse, I did make a video on this the other day. And so I will post that on the end screen if you want to check it out. And so on here as well, they do have a socials tab. This does show their Twitter and links for Reddit here as well. And so on here, they did mention yesterday that it is going to be listed on the P2P B2B exchange and it'll be finalized next week. And so they are also getting several proposals from other exchanges right now as well. And so there could be good potential that this gets listed on other exchanges and gets much more attention and continues to grow. And so definitely keep that in mind. And so I would like to compare this to Safemoon. Safemoon here has a market cap of 4.2 billion currently, whereas the market cap on Eclipse was right around 178 million. And so if Eclipse reaches Safemoon's market cap where it currently is, that'd be a 25 times growth. And so I think there's definitely potential for that going forward. And so let's take a look at their website here. This is the Eclipse token. They are a token built on the Binance Smart Chain. And so they are developing a utility platform for Binance Smart Chain token market. And so they are focusing on creating like a charting platform or a trading platform for these cryptocurrencies. And so I think that's definitely something that's needed in the cryptocurrency space. And so as we can see, here's their roadmap here. They have been listed on PancakeSwap right away, and then they have reached 1,000 holding addresses, 5,000 holding addresses, and then they are in progress of the exchange listing on P2P B2B, and then they have been listed on CoinMarketCap, and so they are also working on being listed on CoinGecko and then listed on a second exchange as well. And so they're also working on their white paper here as well. And so I think there's a couple things I'd like to mention about this here. And so reasons to hold Eclipse token is they're completely secured. They have been audited twice already. And so they also reward their holders with a 3% fee is sent back to the holders. And so that's something that is, very positive from the token standpoint. And so here's their audits. They have been audited by Solidity Finance and TechRate. And so I did look into this a little bit here. We can see their audit report here. And so you can see that their total supply is quite large. It is 1 quadrillion. And so I do not ever see this coin going to like $1. Sometimes people mention that. I don't think there is that much potential for it, but there's definitely a lot of potential for, maybe 25 times gain on this token. And so we can also see that 28% of the token supply have been sent to the 0x dead address, and PancakeSwap holds 9% of the token supply as liquidity. And so 4% of the supply has also been locked up and provided to the team about equal segments in 3 to 6 months. And so the next largest holder is 2.3%. And so I did look a little bit further into this auditing company as well. And so it is Solidity Finance. And so they are a smart contract auditing service. And so they have been protecting over 700 million in on-chain value across 150 projects. And so they have reviewed quite a few projects. And so I think that's very good. And so that gives this token a little bit of credibility. And so kind of what they do, they just ensure that the code is logical behind each function and is sound and safe from common attack vectors. And then they also look into testing it and then they also give a consultation and provide the report. And so I think this is very good to see. It just provides some confidence behind the token that they're maybe a little bit more legit than some of these very small tokens. I think it's very hard to tell whether it's a scam or an actual token at this point. And so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. One thing to keep in mind as well is this is a very high risk investment. Since these are cryptocurrencies, they are already high risk, and this is almost a penny stock of cryptocurrencies, and so it's even higher risk. At this point, it is essentially gambling, and so please do not put more money in than you are willing to lose into these tokens, as they are extremely risky. And so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this on the stock market or in cryptocurrencies, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.